Hi viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, I said stay home, stay safe. So definitely today's topic is about lockdown. So I have written a few lines on my channel, Rajesh Shergetla. Thanks for all your support. You have been kept on supporting me. So I have written a few lines. I hope you would like it. I have written my feeling about a lockdown. So I'm going to read my feelings. I remember when I was a small kid. I remember that day when I was a small kid. I was very happy. I was very naughty. I was very happy. I was very naughty, troubling others. There were no restriction, no lockdowns. Yes, there was no restriction. There were no restriction. There were no lockdowns. I remember when I started my school. Yes, I remember my friends, my school, those golden days of my life. Those days when we never heard this word lockdown in any dictionary or never in any chapter of any subject of book. Yes, I remember my school life. Early morning class surrounded by huge walls. Early morning class surrounded by huge walls, settled down in classroom around 40 to 60 numbers every time. Surrounded by huge walls, every time we were settled 40 to 60 numbers every time, never felt locked down between, but enjoyed the part. Never felt locked down, but enjoyed the part. Today we are locked down. Okay. Today we don't have huge walls. Look at the difference. Today we don't have huge walls, no classrooms. Still I feel today locked down between. Today we don't have huge walls, no classrooms. Still I feel today locked down between. I don't like this life. I don't like this life. I want the past to come, take away this winter from our lives. I want the past life to come again and take away this winter, this lockdowns away. Okay? Yes, I remember the days when when my mother used to say, stay at home, don't go anywhere. I will be back at any moment. That was not like a lockdown. Now I am a grown up man. Mother never says those words. Now look at the difference. When I was a small child, when I was a small kid, mother used to say me that stay at home, don't go anywhere. I will be back at any moment. Now I am a grown up man. Mother never says those words, but still there is a winter in house. Means there is a lockdown. Mother's words were better than present one. My mother's words were better than present words. Yes, I remember the feeling of getting locked somewhere, stuck in any problem. Yes, I fought, broke the locks and overcame from it. Then why today we all, or say we human beings, are not able to overcome this situation from lockdown? Yes, I remember we human beings have kept on playing with nature. We agree. Yes, I remember we human beings have kept on playing with nature. Now it's her turn. I think so. We played with nature. Now I think nature is playing with us. Let us try. Let's try an idea. See here, I am suggesting something. Let us try an idea. We all will say sorry to the nature or God. Nature and God, the one and the same thing. Let us try an idea. We all will say sorry to the nature or God. It will definitely forgive us. It will definitely forgive us, and hope our life will be soon as normal as earlier. And hope our life will be soon as normal as earlier and on a proper track. Proper track means track is important to live, not lockdown. Freedom is important to live, not getting locked in houses. No lockdown. So let's stop this and let's overcome together, and we will and we can do it. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you liked my lines. If you like my lines, subscribe my channel, forward my video, share with your friends, like it, and thank you for watching my video once again.